So a few of you were wondering how to copy and paste a web address or URL into a Word document. So I'm just going to show you very quickly. You can go over to your web browser, come up to the address bar, and click once, left click on the address bar. That will select the web address. You can right click to copy from here. I think the best way is to use Control C. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come back to the Word document. And I'm going to press Control V. And that is how you do it. You can also paste by right clicking and coming up here like that. And that's how you do it.